I bring you updates my correct people concerning the things and things wey dey happen for inside the Rivers State. As I'm talking to you right now, court don reinstate pro-Wike lawmakers for inside Rivers State. Yes, so you say the Rivers State High Court for inside Port Harcourt for inside the month of May, dem bin ban the lawmakers from parading themselves as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Now, the Court of Appeal for Abuja don nullify the expulsion of a former Speaker of the Rivers House of Assembly, wey be Martin Amaewhule, and 24 other lawmakers from the assembly. No be small matter, my correct people. You know say e get the battle wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, get the political battle wey dey sup for there, and this battle na between the former governor of Rivers State and the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory. His name na Mr. Wike, and in dey quarter with the current governor of Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara. Now make I yarn you koko, my correct people. The tori be say a Rivers State High Court for inside Port Harcourt for inside the month of May, dem bin ban the lawmakers from parading themselves as members of the State House of Assembly after they don comot body from PDP matter and they come shift go the APC. You understand? Now you see these lawmakers, wetin dey give them mind, as in their backbone, na the immediate past governor of the state wey be Mr. Wike, and he now na the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja. Im dey engage in a serious political battle, political crisis wey serious well well with the current governor of Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara. Now you see these two mature men, they don chop belleful and they come dey fight over control of the political structure for inside the oil-rich state wey be Rivers State. So now, as the 24 lawmakers wey be say their oga kpatakpata na Wike, as dem comot body for the government of the current governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, they say they no do again, they no follow again. Since then, na only 3 lawmakers wey dey loyal to Mr. Siminalayi Fubara now don dey run the affairs of the Rivers State Assembly, since the court come ban their colleagues from parading themselves as lawmakers. Now make I yarn you legit on how the reinstatement take come board, my correct people. Now, delivering the judgment on Thursday, a 3-member panel of the Court of Appeal come dey yarn say the lower court dey lack the jurisdiction to grant the ex parte order. The appeal court dey yarn say Section 272(3) of the 1999 Constitution as amended, e dey give the Federal High Court powers to determine whether the seat of a House of Assembly member don become vacant. And e come dey yarn say the Federal High Court now get the exclusive jurisdiction to determine the vacancy of a House of Assembly seat. No be small matter, my correct people. And you know say the express mention of the Federal High Court in Section 272(3) of the Constitution, e dey automatically exclude all state high courts from having the jurisdiction, and this na wetin the court dey yarn. That is to say, na only the Federal High Court now get the power to yarn when assembly member their seat don become vacant or not. Every other court no get say, they no get mouth, they no get ododo to come dey determine that kind of level. Now why the court come dey yarn say that ex parte order wey dem make so without jurisdiction is hereby null and void. So those 24 lawmakers now wey say they didn't do again, wey comot body from Siminalayi government, they get no choice but to come back, and as they function as assembly members, the pro-Wike lawmakers, as in those lawmakers wey dey support Wike, sharply they come dey pass different kind of laws by overriding Governor Fubara's veto. And for inside one of the bills, the lawmakers now come amend the local government administration law. That one now come remove power from Governor Fubara's hand to appoint caretaker committees for local government council and extend the tenure of the elected council officials by 6 months. No be small wahala, my correct people. Now, without wasting much of your time, make I yarn you some kind updates. Make I tell you some kind things wey you fit no know about this Rivers State crisis. You know say na since the year 2023, now the Rivers State House of Assembly don dey divided sake of the political quarter wey dey happen between Oga Fubara and Oga Wike. And as the crisis dey go on, Oga Amewule now come dey lead the lawmakers wey dey support Nyesom Wike dey go yonder, while Edison Eya come emerge as a factional speaker and him come dey lead the lawmakers wey dey support Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Then for inside December, for inside the year 2023, the lawmakers now wey dey support Wike, dey come comot body from PDP, wey be the People's Democratic Party. Dey come go the All Progressive Congress, wey be APC. Then Oga Edison now, he come later resign as a lawmaker, and he come dey appointed as Fubara's chief of staff. Then for inside the month of May for this year 2024, the lawmaker now dey represent Bonny constituency, his name na Oku Jumbo. He now come dey elected as the speaker. Then the lawmakers wey dey support Governor Fubara come approach Justice Charles Wale of the State High Court, and they come obtain one order wey dey restrain, as in wey dey stop the 24 lawmakers dem now wey dey support Wike from parading themselves, as in make dem no dey go about now dey call themselves Rivers State House of Assembly members, as they don comot from anything wey concerning the PDP, you understand. Then the trial judge come kukuma ban the lawmakers wey dey support Wike from conducting legislative sittings anywhere, including within the legislative quarters. No be small wahala, my correct people. And he can also restrain Governor Siminalayi Fubara from interfacing with or accepting resolutions and bills from the 25 lawmakers. Now, as these lawmakers now wey dey support Wike, they no like wetin dey sup, they no like the order by the court, they can't go appeal. And this one so now can lead to on Thursday's pronouncement by the appellate court. Now delivering the judgment, Justice Olukayode Bada come dey yarn say the trial court dey lack the jurisdiction to hear and determine the suit of the respondents, and there must be an existence of real urgency and not self-induced urgency in granting an ex parte. So that's my correct people. Now the small informate that the briefing concerning the Rivers State crisis and the orders of the court wey I just say make I share give all of una, so that una go know wetin dey sup for inside the Rivers State, and especially wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So my correct people, concerning this koko wey I just sama you so, omo, the way these lawmakers now don take carry this political cat and rat thing for head, this political crisis, the way dem take carry am for head like dreadlock, omo, it's no longer funny o, because e come back as if end no go dey to the crisis. Anyhow the informate be you for body, you are free to drop it inside our comment section, or you get contribution about the matter, still drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV, and now we dey give ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive news like that, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell. It's very important, so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go receive them sharp. And I beg make you try to share the news with your family and friends. Don't be stingy with the updates. Make them too they get idea on what they sup for inside the country Nigeria. And they bring another updates for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.